Another interesting accessory is the Samsung LED view cover. Let's just explain that briefly. So there's the packaging. There's 3 little pieces of tape in here. I've taken the one off the bottom here, but that's all. So let's pull it apart and get this thing out. And we'll show you why it's cool. There we go. There we go. Pull the plastic out. Okay, so let's take our phone and pop it in. There we go. Let's close the cover. And that's why it's cool. The time will come through. You can have it do different animations, different graphics. Yeah, it's a lovely little tool if you need to know what's going on and you don't want to open up your phone to do it. There's an app you can install on your phone to have other graphics come up, but it does a couple of other things as well. One, this is a magnetic close. So that's kind of nice. 2, it says don't put credit cards in here, but it does have a slot for you to carry things around, which is kind of nice. 3, it actually closes all the way around. See that edge? So that's a nice thing to do, and you can still push your positive and negative there, right? Your volume and so on and so forth. So it gives you a nice cover. These are worth about, I think, about 80 bucks when you buy them elsewhere. I bought these ones on eBay for about 40. These are shipped from the US, and I believe these are the genuine product. All right, if you have any questions, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. Thank you. Bye-bye.